In this video, I'm going to show you how to add column in Excel. So to add column in Excel, just select the area where you want to add column, like in here after H. So right click there. You will find option insert. If you right click there, so click on insert. So you will see a new column like after D. So select D. We will make this color like this color, and E, we will change color this one. Now if you want to add a column after D, so right click, then click on insert. So you will see D column is a new, and it's a new added column like this. So that's it friends, like this we can add column in Excel. Thanks for watching.